Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon. I hope you had a great Monday. And today we started off the day warm and now we're cooling down. It's going to be cool and windy through tomorrow and even into Wednesday, still on the cool side. Tomorrow night with the clear skies and the lighter winds, temperatures are going to drop and we could even see a freeze warning issued for our inland locations. That does not include Corpus Christi, staying above freezing in Corpus. And then we're going to warm up a little before our next cold front. It's much weaker and it arrives Friday, bringing a chance of showers. This front, it's pretty strong. And those cold northerly winds are ushering in those much chillier temperatures. You can see the front has gone through us, getting ready to move through Brownsville. And it's currently 63 at Mathis to 68 in Corpus Christi, and windy out there at Rockport with 64. Kingsville still at 72, but that north wind is bringing in that much cooler air with sustained winds. Will hover very close to 20 miles an hour tonight. So you can see the peak wind gust today did peak out in the 30s. In fact, Kingsville with 36 mile an hour winds, and we'll continue to have some pretty good gusts overnight. As we see on future winds this evening and overnight, those winds staying anywhere from 15 to 20, sustained and even stronger right along the coast. Sustained winds at 26 miles an hour tonight near Port Aransas, gusting to about 30 miles an hour through early in the day tomorrow. And then the winds will start to come down tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night and will be much lighter as we head into Wednesday. Tonight's temperatures are going to be on the chilly side. With that wind blowing, we drop down into the upper 30s. Again, this is for tonight and into tomorrow morning. We stay above freezing, upper 30s to low 40s tonight with that windy weather. And then tomorrow in the morning, we have wind chills. If you're out in that wind, that 41 degrees is going to feel like 33. And then we'll see those temperatures rising. With a lot of sunshine tomorrow, we reach 57 degrees by 1 o'clock with sunny skies and below average temperatures. We are staying in the 50s tomorrow and even into Wednesday. Now tomorrow night, as I mentioned, we have the potential of a freeze in our inland areas, including Mathis, Beeville, George West, and westward. You can see near or just below the freezing mark. So we'll have to watch that for tomorrow night, Wednesday morning. Coast side in the lower 40s and Corpus Christi in the upper 30s tomorrow night. Right now, you can see that Arctic air as it has invaded the nation. And not only that, but not only is it very cold, but we're also seeing that band of snow continuing as that winter storm continues to ramp up across Missouri and pulling eastward. Out ahead of it, we've had tornado warnings and severe weather for the deep south ahead of that strong cold front. Here, it's just dry and cold, and that's the way it's going to be the next couple of days, and then we start to warm up. Let me show you the trends here. We have these waves of lower pressure in the upper atmosphere coming in, and when they move through, you can see how the winds shift to the north behind them, and that carries in that much cooler air. This is the one that's going through tonight, through tomorrow and even into Wednesday. Notice this ridging here. That helps us warm up at the end of the week. But then we get another upper level wave coming through, much weaker Friday. Doesn't change our temperatures a whole lot. Watch this as we get closer into Christmas week. We have this big ridge starting to build. An area of low pressure digging in the southwest will pump that warmer air northward, and that is going to lead to a better chance of warmer weather as we head into next week. We're above average as we head into Christmas for warmer weather for the holiday. And that does not only include us, but all the way up into the Midwest. I bet you they're going to be really happy about that. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and this is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So in the next few days, it's chilly. Keep the jackets handy through Wednesday. We'll start to see those warmer days, but still chilly nights Thursday and into Friday. Our next front brings a chance of rain Friday, not much with that, and then we have a beautiful weekend ahead.